Oh no! Baby Spooky keeps crying. There's no way to make him stop. We've tried everything, even the best funny faces. But he won't stop crying. Guys, what if we try with a sound book? This is a book to learn the sounds of Christmas. Look, a Christmas choir. And when we press the button, we hear them sing carols. Oh, look! It's Santa! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas to you too! Wow! Jingle bells! I love that sound! And last but not least, a cozy fireplace. Oh, I could hear it all night. It's so relaxing. We have gotten the baby to stop crying. And now he won't stop laughing.
Hi, I'm the potty. Come on in.
Hi, Potty. I need to pee.
Pull down your pants, yes, now your underwear. Sit on the potty and pee, yes, pee. Pee slides down the potty, wee, 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 wee. Potty, nice to meet you, I'll use you again. Meet the potty, meet the potty, meet the potty. La 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 la. Use the potty, use the potty, use the potty. La 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 la.
Nice to see you again. Come on in.
Hi, Potty. I need to poop.
Pull down your pants, yes, now your underwear. Sit on the potty and poop, yes, poop. Poopy goes down the potty, poopy, poopy doop. Potty, nice to meet you, I'll use you again. Meet the potty, meet the potty, meet the potty. Use the potty, use the potty, use the potty. I go potty, I go potty, I go potty. Love the potty, love the potty, love the potty. La 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 la.
Yay! I'm a big kid now.
Hello, girls and boys! Today we're going to exercise with Caddy and Monkey. Yes, Monkey, we're going to get really, really strong. We just have to imitate Caddy and Monkey's movements. Shall we start? Oh, a crab! We have to jump to avoid it. And jump! Great! And now a seagull. To dodge it, we have to bend down. Bend down! That's it! This beach is full of seagulls and crabs. To dodge the crabs, jump. To dodge the seagulls, bend down. Jump! Bend down! Jump! Bend down! Jump! And bend down! Come on, guys! Jump! Bend down! All right! Phew, Monkey! This is tiring, isn't it? Oh, look! A little turtle! Hello, Mrs. Turtle! Wouldn't it be fun if we made a couple of bridges for the turtle to go under? Come on, boys and girls! Let's build a bridge for the turtle to cross! Are you ready? The turtle is about to go through! Hold on, or we'll crush the turtle! Hold on a little longer! We still have Monkey's bridge to go! There's not much left! Hang on! We need a faster animal! No offense, little turtle! Almost there! Hold on! And that's it! Bye, turtle! Whew, I admit that was hard! Hello, Miss Mermaid! Ouch! I don't think she sees us! But I have an idea! How about we do a super wave? Hello! Hello! Miss Mermaid! finishing with some relaxing breaths. This is very simple. We take a breath in through our noses and we let it out through our mouths. We take air through our nose and let it out through our mouth. The air goes in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe in and out. Monkey, you didn't have to relax so much. We're ready. Did you like it? Great! Then we'll see you at the next gym class. See you soon, girls and boys.
What a great day to surf. Groovy, Ryder, and Monkey are really enjoying themselves. Was that a can? A jug? A bottle? Uh-oh. Is everyone okay? Groovy? Ryder? What about Monkey? There he is. What happened? Why is the ocean full of plastic? A trash island has formed. And it's huge. How is that possible? It seems like Monkey has an idea. Maybe we can take the trash out of the ocean on the surfboard, all the way to the shore. Oops, that didn't work like we'd hoped. The board is sinking. And it sank right next to a strange pipe. Trash just keeps coming out of it. Where does this pipe go? What a strange ship! Dr. Spooky, how did we not notice before? You're the one putting trash in the ocean. Kids, we have to... Wait a minute. What's that floating in the water? It's a fish trapped in a six-pack ring. But Groovy freed it. To the water, Ryder. Our new friend wants to show you something. You're not going to believe where the pipe leads. Exactly. It's Dr. Spooky's ship. What's your idea? Groovy turned himself into a giant vacuum. And he sucked up the whole trash island. But there's still something left to do. Dr. Spooky deserves to be punished. Monkey picks up a giant rock. And Groovy spits all the trash back into Dr. Spooky's ship. Ha ha ha! Dr. Spooky got a taste of his own medicine. Fantastic, kids. Dr. Spooky is going to have a hard time cleaning his ship. See you on the next adventure. What an exciting game. Raccoon tries to steal the ball, but Ryder dodges him and passes it to Monkey, who catches it in the air and he scores! Haha! Well played, kids. Dr. Spooky? And his army of minions. What? They want to play? I'm getting so dizzy. Oh no! What do you want? They want the court for themselves. That's not going to happen. The court is ours. Let's play a game, and whoever wins gets the court. Ready? Let's play. Groovy takes the ball, but a minion tries to steal it from him. Ryder's open. Groovy passes him the ball. But wait, another minion is getting close. Ryder bounces the ball between his legs and Raccoon dunks. What's Spooky up to? Is that a robotic ball? The minion sprints with the ball towards the basket. Raccoon tries to stop him, but Ryder stole the pass. Let's go, Ryder. Ryder shoots and... what? The ball stopped in midair. It's Spooky. He's controlling it on his tablet. No! He moved it to the opposite basket. And now he's scoring again and again. Kids, we have to do something. They're going to win. Monkey's got an idea. That's it. Monkey destroyed Dr. Spooky's ball. Say goodbye to your evil plan, Dr. Spooky. Or maybe, uh-oh, he's calling his minions. What are you going to do with those tools? Some new shoes? I don't think that's going to be enough to beat our team. Oh, wow! The shoes have thrusters, and now the minions can fly! Go get them, Raccoon! Whoops! Maybe Ryder can stop them. Darn! It looks like he can't either. Let's go, Groovy. We believe in you. Uh-oh. Well, that wasn't your best play. Oh, no! Another point! It's going to be hard to make a comeback in this game. But you should never give up. Although sometimes, maybe forfeiting in time is better. Sorry, but Dr. Spooky's plan is definitely working well. Too well. Let's go, Ryder. Think. Groovy turned himself into a magnet. What's your plan, kids? Oh, great! Monkey is catching the minions with a magnet. Careful, Ryder. There are 2 minions behind you. But Groovy and Monkey catch them. And score! This is going to be easy. Wow, there goes Dr. Spooky. Haha! Without your tricks, you can't do anything. What are you laughing about, Dr. Spooky? There's only 10 seconds left in the game, and there's a big difference in points. We need to make a comeback. Hurry! Come on, kids. You can do it. There's only a 1-point difference. Darn you, Dr. Spooky. Let's go, Raccoon. Come on, go in, go in. No! Wait a minute, the ball is going up again. Ryder dunks at the very last moment. Bravo! You won the game. You're the best. And even Dr. Spooky knows you guys make a great team. Today we're having a Hawaiian party. What a great plan. Music, friends, a nice piece of fruit, and minions? Of course. Dr. Spooky couldn't miss it. Yuck! What a nasty, greasy hamburger. Of course, a new evil idea. What? A dancing minion? Is this your plan, Spooky? Ha ha! Wait a minute, where did that giant tray of hamburgers come from, and what are you guys going to do with them? The minion is tossing all the fruit. And putting the hamburgers in its place. Oh no, Dr. Spooky ruined the party. And on top of that, we are getting hungry. No, Monkey, resist it. Don't take a bite of the hamburger. Phew, that was close. There's got to be a way to eat something that's not those horrible hamburgers. Aha! Coconuts! Monkey loves coconuts. And he's really good at getting them from the palm trees. Yummy! Coconuts for everybody! The minions can have some too. You lost again! Everyone is enjoying the party again, Dr. Spooky. Your minion can't stop dancing. Oh well. Today is beach day. Don't forget the sunscreen, kids. What? Uh-oh. What's Dr. Spooky doing here? He's released some robot insects. And they're putting chips into the people at the beach's heads. What's your plan this time? He has a baton. Oh, and he can control everyone who has a chip with it. He's so evil. He's making everyone get the beach dirty. No, kids, don't litter. Oh my gosh, you're so bad, Dr. Spooky. No, 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 we have to do something. What a disaster! Dr. Spooky is destroying the environment. Someone stop him! Yay! There's the Super Zoo team. Aha! If we can remove the chips from the people, they will stop obeying Dr. Spooky's orders to litter. To the transformation capsules. Monkey. Caddy. Kangoo. Now we're going to protect the environment. We're going to give you what you deserve, Dr. Spooky. Monkey and Kangoo made a springboard to reach Dr. Spooky. What a good idea! Go get him, Kangoo. We have to get the baton away from him. What? Why do you want to draw a portrait of Dr. Spooky, Kangoo? How vain. Oh, now I get it. You're trying to distract him. Ha ha! Monkey swapped the baton with a banana. See you later, Dr. Spooky. Let's go, Super Zoo team. We have to remove the chips from the people's heads before Dr. Spooky catches up to you. Now Caddy has control. And she's going to make the minions help clean up the beach. But where does each kind of trash go? Kangoo has the answer. Glass goes in the green bin, paper in the blue one, and plastic in the yellow one. It's time to recycle. Let's go, kids. We need to clean the beach. And Dr. Spooky can't do anything to stop it. You'll think twice next time. Everyone works together and leaves the beach spotless. Remember to do it too, kids, when you go enjoy a day by the sea. The environment will be eternally grateful. One more thing. Ha ha! Bye-bye, Dr. Spooky. It feels so great to take care of our planet.